Bonjour, bienvenue. Le passé antérieur, anterior past we learned in this class. Passé antérieur is a compound tense made with passé simple, that is equivalent to fluique parfait. What is fluique parfait? Past perfect tense in English. This tense is employed mostly in historical narrations. It's normally preceded by conjunctions like après que, after, aussitôt que, as soon as, dès que, as soon as, lorsque, when, quand, when. So these conjunctions may precede this passé antérieur. This tense follows the same construction of passé composé that we learnt in lesson 23, fluique parfait. In lesson 27, futur antérieur, we learnt in lesson 28. If you are quite confident of making any of these three tenses, you will find the conjugation of passé antérieur very simple. We go in detail the conjugation of passé antérieur in this lesson. In French digital class 23, we learnt the making of passé composé, that is the subject plus avoir or être conjugated in present tense of indicative and the past participle is added. In French Digital 27, we learnt le fluique parfait, subject plus avoir or être in imparfait and past participle. French Digital 28, le futur antérieur, subject plus avoir or être in future tense and past participle. Here in this class, French Digital 34, le passé antérieur we will learn. Subject plus avoir or être in passé simple and past participle. That is, avoir or être is conjugated in the tense passé simple and past participle is added. Passé composé is j'ai parlé, I have spoken. Fluique parfait, j'avais parlé, I had spoken. Futur antérieur, j'aurais parlé, I will have spoken. Passé antérieur will be j'eus parlé, I had spoken. EUS, that is the conjugation of avoir in passé simple. So subject plus avoir in passé simple plus past participle will become passé antérieur. I had spoken. Fluique parfait translation also will be I had spoken. Passé antérieur is used only for historic narrations. In the making of passé antérieur, let's see first an ordinary transitive verb, parler. Parler, to speak. Past participle will be P-A-R-L-E, acute accent, spoken. In order to conjugate parler into passé antérieur, add this past participle with the conjugation of avoir in passé simple. So first conjugate avoir in passé simple. J'eus, J apostrophe E-U-S, tu eus, il eut, elle eut, nous eûmes, vous eûtes, ils eurent, Alzure. With this conjugation, add the past participle PARLE, acute accent. Je, what's the meaning? I had parlé, spoken. So, je parlais, I had spoken. You parlais, you had spoken. Elle, you parlais, he or she had spoken. Nous eûmes parlé, we had spoken. Vous eûtes parlé, you had spoken. Elle, you're parlé, they had spoken. This is the conjugation of the verb parler. Passé antérieur, affirmative form. Making negative, we add ne and pas. Ne is added after the subject je and pas is added after the auxiliary verb avoir. So we get the conjugation je n'eus pas parlé. Tu n'eus pas parlé. I had not spoken. You had not spoken, etc. Till it comes up to elles n'eurent pas parlé. They had not spoken. And making interrogative question, add est-ce que. Est-ce que j'eus parlé? Had I spoken? Tu parlé. This is inversion. Tu parlé. Had you spoken? Up to elles you parlé. Make it into a question. Eurent-elles parlé? Had they spoken? Je parlais is passé antérieur affirmative. Je n'eus pas parlé negative and est-ce que je parlais or tu parlais interrogative. Aller, an intransitive verb, is made into passé antérieur. All the intransitive verbs are made with être in compound tenses. It becomes the conjugation of être in simple past, passé simple, and the past participle added with agreement with the subject. It becomes je fus, tu fus, il fut, elle fut, nous fûmes, vous fûtes, ils furent, elles furent. This is the conjugation of être in passé simple and past participle is added. Aller, ALLER, remove the or, last or and add acute accent over the E, it becomes past participle. ALLE, acute accent, gone. So I had gone. Je fus allé. Tu fus allé. Il fut allé. Elle fut allée. Nous fûmes allés. Vous fûtes allés. Ils furent allés. Elles furent allées. I had gone. You had gone, etc. Here, you must note the agreement of past participle. Je fus allé, ALLE, acute accent, and one more E is added. If je is feminine singular, tu fus allé, E can be added with allé if tu is feminine singular. Look at nous fûmes allés. If nous is masculine plural, ALLE, acute accent, yes. In case nous is feminine plural, ALLE, acute accent, ES. Same case with vous. ILS, il furent allés. FURENT, ALLE, yes is added because il, masculine plural. Elles furent allées. ALLE, acute accent. ES is added because ELLES, feminine plural. This is the agreement we make already in passé composé, plus que parfait, and futur antérieur. Now, how do you make it into negative? Ne pas, add ne after je. Pa is added after the conjugation of the auxiliary verb. So it becomes je ne fus pas allé. I had not gone. Interrogative, est-ce que je fus allé? Fus-tu allé? It can be inversed or est-ce que can be added to make an affirmative statement into interrogative. Est-ce que je fus allé? Fus-tu allé? Had I gone? Had you gone? Etc. See how a pronominal verb is conjugated into passé antérieur. Pronominal verbs are conjugated with the help of être in compound tenses. So first conjugate être in passé simple. It becomes je me fus. Then the past participle is added. Laver, L-A-V-E-R. So L-A-V-E acute accent is the past participle. That's added. So je me fus laver, tu te fus laver, elle se fut laver, nous fûmes lavés, vous fûtes lavés, elle se furent lavés. Never forget to note the agreement of past participle. Je me fus lavé, I had washed myself. This is the affirmative form. Making negative, ne and pas is added. Je ne me fus pas lavé. I had not washed myself. Interrogative, est-ce que je me fus lavé? Or making inversion, te fus-tu lavé? By these two ways, adding est-ce que or by inversion, you can make an affirmative statement into interrogative. Had I washed myself? Had you washed yourself? Etc. We have some sentences, 5 sentences made with passé antérieur. Eu conduit l'armée. She had driven the army. Eu conduit, had driven. Je fus venu de Rouen. I had come from Rouen. Number 3, ils se furent levés. They had got up. Number 4, tu écrit la lettre. You had written the letter. Nous fûmes arrivés. That's number 5. Nous fûmes arrivés. We had arrived. Please try to go through the lessons dealing with passé composé, plus que parfait and futur antérieur. You will find a clear resemblance and you will understand futur antérieur thoroughly. You have a conjugation exercise. Number 1, venir, affirmative passé antérieur. Number 2, se laver, negative passé antérieur. And entrer, interrogative passé antérieur. If you have any doubts, please go through this lesson again and again till the content is understood. You may subscribe to this YouTube channel for the notifications of the latest lessons. We'll meet in the next lesson. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Thank you.